Hello and welcome to the first episode in our how-to series on our new Vintage and Classic Spares YouTube channel. Here you can see all of our brands and I'll link their websites down in the description if you would like to take a look at our range. Our first video is going to cover how to convert and install our 297A indicator side lamp from an ordinary 1130 type lamp into a side lamp with indicator capabilities. In part 1 of the video, I will demonstrate the actual conversion process using one of our 424A conversion units, and in part 2, we will explore how to correctly wire the new indicator-capable lamps into your vehicle using some of our other parts. On to part 1. First, let's look at the parts you will need. The crucial part is our 424A indicator conversion unit, which is also available with LEDs. The second part is either your original 1130 star side lamp or one of our 297 range of 1130 star side lamps. I have opted for the 297A with the amber Tobii badge, as the badge is also illuminated when indicating. To start with, you're going to want to remove the two base bolts out of the body of the side lamp, along with the rubber grommet. This will free the lamp from your vehicle. Once these are removed and the lamp has been detached carefully from its original wiring, slowly loosen the screw on the top of the lamp, being careful not to slip and scratch the body with the screwdriver. Then pop the lens off. Finally, remove the existing bulb holder from inside the body, leaving just the shell. Now you will need to get a hold of your 424A conversion unit and reassemble the lamp. Do this by threading the 3 wires out the back of the conversion unit through the hole in the base of the body that is second from the back. That is to say, not the hole the bolt has to go back through. Now, pull the wires all the way through and secure the bulb holder flush against the base of the body. Then, pull the wires through the rubber grommet before re-securing the lamp to the original position on your vehicle using the bolts. Now that your side lamp is on your vehicle, reattach your lens, screwing the top screw back down carefully. This leaves you with a fully converted 1130 star side lamp with indicator capabilities once it is wired in. Now for part 2, where we will be demonstrating how to connect the side lamps into an SPB 120 style indicator switch and an on-off switch so that they function properly. I have made a dot-to-dot style wiring diagram here to demonstrate which specific terminals need to be wired together. To try and keep the video short, I'm going to move on from the diagram, so please feel free to pause and photograph. Wiring the side lamps is incredibly simple as wiring goes. The most important piece of the puzzle to understand is the indicator switch, as wiring to the incorrect terminals will leave the circuit incomplete or dysfunctional. In this video, I'm going to explain the wiring of our SPB 120 style indicator switch. As you can see from the image displayed, there are 6 internal terminals inside the switch. The top central terminal is for the built-in warning light bulb that will illuminate to show your indicators are on. This will be connected to the central terminal on your flasher unit. Beside the warning bulb terminal, the second top terminal is for your earth wire. The bottom 4 terminals are also really simple to understand. The far right hand side terminal, that is the one on the right as the switch is facing terminals down, is for the indicator wire running out of the right hand side lamp. This is the same for the far left terminal for the indicator wire that runs out of the left hand side lamp. The final wire into the SPB 120 style indicator switch is connecting the flasher unit through the switch to the lamps themselves, creating the indicator signal. This will be the second terminal in from the right at the bottom of the SPB 120 type indicator switch. Now that we know where each wire from the SPB 120 type indicator switch is stemming from, it is important to ensure that the flash unit is also wired correctly. The left-hand terminal is your input terminal and will connect to your live wire. The central terminal will connect to the warning light bulb inside the SPB 120 type indicator that we have mentioned, leaving the final right-hand terminal to be wired into the terminal labelled flash unit on the diagram of the SPB 120 type switch. I have created this demonstration board to make it easier to visualise the wiring for the indicator conversion circuit. As you can see, I have also included a warning light for side lamps, which only needs to be earthed and connected to the on terminal of the side lamp on-off switch, along with the 2 clear bulb wires stemming from the side lamps themselves. In this example, I have earthed everything through the negative terminal. However, on your vehicle, you will have a separate earthing point. In this demonstration video, you can see that it all functions correctly, and the added signalling visibility you grant other drivers by converting your side lamps, improving your safety. Finally, we hope this has helped. Any specific or general issues that arise throughout your project, please do not hesitate to